According to the American Veterinary Medical Association, every year, millions of unwanted cats and dogs around the world are euthanized. For that reason alone, it is important to spay or neuter your pets so we can stop the overpopulation of pets that will later die due to overcrowded pounds and shelters. Spaying and neutering your pets is important and it should happen more. To illustrate this, we will look at the benefits of spaying and neutering, how it affects the homelessness crisis in animals, and when the best time to spay or neuter your pets is. To begin, there are many different health and behavioral benefits to spaying your female pets and neutering your male pets. Neutering your male pets can help prevent them from getting testicular cancer and helps to prevent from having prostate problems, while spaying your female pets can actually help them live a longer life. According to the ASPCA, spaying helps prevent malignant and cancerous breast tumors as well as uterine infections in about 50% of dogs and 90% of cats. This also helps to keep your male pets closer to home and keeps your female pets from going into heat cycles. Intact male pets will actually harm themselves while trying to escape their homes to find mates. These male pets are also more likely to spray urine all over the house. Female pets go into a heat cycle, which is basically just a menstrual cycle in animals, which causes them to release a bloody discharge if they are not spayed. For cats, the heat cycle can last 4 to 5 days and happens every 2 to 3 weeks during mating season. And in dogs, the heat cycle lasts for about 2 to 4 weeks, and they usually experience a heat cycle twice a year, according to the sprucepets.com. Spaying and neutering your pets is also much more cost efficient than raising and taking care of a litter. Next, many people have resorted to adopting dogs instead of shopping for a pet. However, due to the demand of a designer breed, people resort to puppy mills, which only fuels the homelessness of dogs and cats around the world. According to One Green Planet, there are currently about 70 million stray animals currently living in the United States. Only about 6 to 8 million of those stray cats and dogs find their way to shelters across the globe. Only about 10% of stray animals that enter a shelter are fixed. If stray, unfixed animals stay on the street, in about just 6 years, a female dog and her offspring can produce 67,000 dogs, and a female cat and her offsprings can produce around 420,000 cats. Only about 3 to 4 million pets are adopted from shelters each year. Due to this, nearly half of all animals that come into shelters are euthanized, according to One Green Planet. Lastly, spaying and neutering your pets varies depending on what type of animal it is and whether it is a boy or a girl. According to the AAHA, since female cats can enter their first heat cycle at a young age, usually around 5 or 6 months, it is recommended to spay cats at 5 months old. Like previously stated, doing this can help stop unwanted litters and lower the risk for health complications in the future. Small breed dogs under 45 pounds are recommended to be spayed before their first heat cycle, or around 6 months old, whereas larger breeds of dogs are recommended to be spayed after they have finished growing, which could be anywhere from 9 to 15 months. According to an article by Buzzards Bay Veterinary Association, it is recommended to neuter male dogs and cats whenever they have reached their average growth and muscular definition size. In conclusion, spaying and neutering your pets is important and it should happen more. To illustrate this, we looked at the benefits of spaying and neutering your pets, when the best time to fix your pets is, and how fixing your pets adds to the pet home, and how not fixing your pets adds to the pet homelessness crisis. Responsible pet owners should spay and neuter their pets to help stop the overpopulation of stray dogs and cats so they do not end up in situations where the only option is euthanization.